This protocol features 3 experimental techniques that can be used independently or in combination to examine questions related to psychological stress, learning strategies, and the intricate nature of episodic memory. This protocol provides researchers with a flexible template. The 3 methodological techniques that are brought together in this protocol can be easily adapted to answer a variety of research questions. Demonstrating the procedure will be Grace Elliott and Dalit Hendel, Senior Research Coordinators at the Center for Applied Brain and Cognitive Sciences at Tufts University.
Begin this procedure with participant recruitment, screening, and scheduling as described in the text protocol. Randomly assign participants to either learning group, study practice, or retrieval practice. When participants arrive to the lab, first instruct them to sit at separate desks. To begin the encoding procedure, instruct participants that they will be presented with a series of words that they must try to remember for a later test. Present participants with either the red list or the blue list using the stimulus presentation software and rate of presentation outlined in the text protocol. To clear working memory between each study event, have participants complete simple math problems for 30 seconds. Either have participants complete this task with pencil and paper or embed the task into the computer program used for stimulus presentation. For participants in the study practice group, present the same list 2 more times at the same rate of presentation. For participants in the retrieval practice group, give them 2 times.